my gosh. Hi everyone and welcome to Chem class. I was attempting to pack up some old clothes and carry them from one end of the house to the other end, but the two boxes altogether seem to be a bit too heavy. You might say that it is not sustainable for my back to be carrying such a weight, such a distance. And that leads me to what we need to talk about in Chem today, the difference between sustainability and renewability. And in the course, we need to understand those terms in the context of fuels.
So let's talk about sustainability and how it differs from renewability. We need to be very careful about these two terms and use them correctly. You could consider a sustainable practice as something you could be doing right now that has no detrimental effect later on. For my back, it would be more sustainable to carry a lighter weight. So how is sustainability different to renewability? Renewability in chemistry is the ability for a resource to be replaced naturally as quickly as it is needed to be used. In the context of fuels, which will be discussed in a separate video, if the sourcing or use of the fuel has no detrimental effect on the planet, environment, or generations to come, then we can call it sustainable. However, when we refer to a fuel being renewable, we specifically mean that we can replace the fuel within a short period of time, so it will not easily run out as we need to use it. Categorizing a fuel as renewable is much clearer than deciding if it is sustainable. For example, solar energy is renewable. The sunshine is not going to run out. However, deciding if solar energy is sustainable is a bit trickier. To convert solar energy into electrical energy, the sunlight is trapped by solar panels. Broken solar panels are contributing to landfill. Therefore, the use of solar panels may not be so sustainable. Fossil fuels are neither renewable nor sustainable. Fossil fuels take a long time to be replenished, and their extraction and use are harmful to the planet. Biofuels are renewable, as the biomass that they are sourced from can be quickly grown or produced. However, be careful in discussing their sustainability. In many respects, biofuels are quite sustainable. They are definitely more sustainable than fossil fuels, but consider mass growing of crops for the sake of ethanol. If the crops deplete the soil of nutrients or space available to grow food, then there is some impact on future generations. The topic of sustainability is thus more complex and provides more opportunity for discussion. In summary, fuels that are renewable are ones that can be replenished as quickly as we use them. However, fuels that are sustainable are ones that can be continued to be used without harming future generations.